Hello, hi everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint. In this tutorial, we are going to work on this corner cabinet that has been in our house for a long time and we loved it really much.
It's time to be painted now with some gorgeous colors and some wax from Dixie Belle Paint. So yeah, we have a plan for it, so let's get into it.
Let's do it! The first step is cleaning the piece with white lightening, Dixie Belle Furniture Cleaner, a cloth and a toothbrush. Once I was done with cleaning, I rinsed the piece twice, only with water.
We need a damp cloth, a continuous mist bottle, paint and any kind of brush. I'm gonna start painting with Bunker Hill Blue, but first I'm going to apply lots of water on the piece and on the brush to dilute the paint loads. We want the wood to peek through, that's why we are diluting the paint so much, so it's gonna be like a heavy color wash diluted straight on the piece. If the paint is thicker in some spots, you can dilute it, wipe it with the cloth and then repair it. Anyway, in the corners I left the paint quite thick because I want it to be more colored, intense. I'm gonna apply the Bunker Hill Blue about halfway, even a bit lower than halfway, and now it's time to do the same thing but with Mermaid Tail. I applied again lots of water and I did a little blending between the Bunker Hill Blue and the Mermaid Tail. It's really easy, I just use up and down, side motions until they were blended nicely. Once it was dried, I applied some Cooper Gilding wax here and there with the biggest artist brush from Dixie Belle. It looks magic and we have a proper patina situation here. I just picked up small amounts of wax and I went over those details, the corners, I created little shadows, little drips looking like. Just love how it looks on this combination with wood, Mermaid Tail, Bunker Hill.
I sealed the whole piece with 3 layers of gator hide, a durable and water repellent sealer, and I let each coat to dry for about 2 hours. Inside of the piece I applied orange scented wax to protect and enhance the wood and also make it smell really pretty.
And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, and hope to see you in our next furniture tutorials. Bye!